Creating document-based assessments. In this Mastery Connect training video, you will learn how to create document-based assessments, add and align questions to individual standards, and add a document-based assessment to your tracker. Creating a document-based assessment. Document-based assessments can be created within an existing tracker or from the assessments dashboard. To create a new document-based assessment from a tracker, select the Add Assessment button. Then select Create New. Give the assessment a title. When a new assessment is created from within a tracker, the assessment will automatically align to the tracker's standards. To create a new document-based assessment from the assessment dashboard, select the Add Assessment button. When creating a new assessment from Assessments, select the Align Source button to align the assessment with an existing tracker or curriculum map. Or, manually select the subject, core, and class from the drop-down list. Once the alignment source has been set, select the Document-Based Source option, then select the privacy settings. After the assessment settings have been configured, select the Next button to open the assessment editor. From the assessment editor, you can add documents and questions, view the assessment details, view and modify the assessment scoring, and manage settings. Note, all changes made in the assessment editor are saved automatically. To exit the assessment editor at any time, select the Exit button. This will save the assessment in your drafts. To begin building your assessment, select the Upload Document button. Documents can be uploaded from your device, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Once you've uploaded your document, select the Close button to return to the assessment editor. Trainer tip. It is helpful to identify the question type and standards for each question prior to building out the questions in the assessment editor. For example, you may have 3 multiple-choice questions for one standard. You can create all 3 questions at once. Add and align questions to individual standards. From the assessment editor, select the Add Question button to begin adding questions to your assessment. Remember, it is helpful to quantify your question types by standard prior to building. Select the quantity of questions. Questions may be added one at a time or in multiples. Select the question type and standard. The standard will be displayed, allowing you to confirm you've selected the correct standard. Select the Submit button to add the questions to your assessment. Continue to add questions as needed. For multiple choice, multiple select, and true-false questions, select the correct answer in the Answer column. For bubble sheet rubric scoring or rubric criteria, adjust the scoring values as needed. The points will automatically populate based on the highest scores. Use the plus and minus sign to add or remove rubric criteria levels. To delete a question, select the More Options menu and then select Delete. As you add questions, the assessment details will update. If your assessment is ready for use, select Create Assessment to publish the assessment. This will redirect you to the Assessment Details page. Once created, your assessment will be found under the Created tab in Assessments. Adding document-based assessments to a tracker. Once an assessment has been published, it will be available to add to a tracker. From the Assessment Details page, select the Add to Tracker button. Select the box next to the appropriate tracker or trackers, and then select Add. To add an existing assessment from within a tracker, select the Add Assessment button, then choose My Assessments. From the assessment screen, select the Add drop-down and then Add to Tracker.